Welcome to the LazyPBX free trial. Getting set up will only take 5 minutes. Start by dragging your number block onto your workspace. Next, connect your new number to a time switch block and input your business's opening hours. Now, you can add a divert call block and connect it to your time switch block. Input the phone number you would like to divert calls to, set your ring timer and click save. Now, all calls that come in during opening hours will divert to this phone number. To finish up with this quick setup, connect a voicemail block to the failure output of the time switch block. Select a default sound file or upload your own, and enter your email address. Now, all calls that come in during closing hours will go straight to voicemail. Once you have your basic setup, feel free to play around with some of our other blocks. You can add a phone menu, play custom messages or track your call analytics. Just make sure to click Apply Changes when you are finished editing your setup. And as always, if you need help with anything at all, please just contact our support team.